In today's video, we're debunking common cleaning myths to keep your home truly clean and safe. Myth number 1. If it looks clean, it is clean. The reality is, many germs and allergens are invisible. Your surfaces might sparkle but still be teeming with these unseen invaders. Next, myth 2. Mixing cleaners makes them stronger. In fact, combining certain chemicals is not only ineffective, but also hazardous, often producing toxic fumes. Moving on to myth 3. Carpets only need occasional vacuuming. Regular vacuuming is essential. It not only reduces allergens, but also prolongs your carpet's life. Lastly, myth 4. Disinfecting and cleaning are the same. Cleaning merely removes dirt, whereas disinfecting kills the germs you can't see. Keep these facts in mind for a truly clean home.